Hey guys, we're out here at Marquette Mountain for the Marquette Fall Enduro.
Practice day.
Practice day! It's super, super windy.
Prepared?
So get out there and go practice and have fun.
Yeah.
Yay!
Are you kidding me? Well, not a great start to the race weekend. Waited in a super long lift line for like a half hour just to pinch flat on the first run that I was just taking it moderately easy on to try and warm up. Yay! Good morning, fans, friends, and followers, and whoever you are. I don't know if you can tell. You can see on the window, it's a rainy Saturday morning here at Marquette Mountain. Rained all night. Our awning collapsed in the middle of the night from rainwater, so didn't get great sleep.
And it's been pretty cold too, so.
Yeah, 45 and stuff, and raining. So didn't get any practice really yesterday after my tire incident. So we'll just go after it today, I suppose.
Yep.
It's gonna be wet and sloppy, but evens the playing field. So
At least you're here a few weeks
put down
ago,
some clean runs and get after it.
4, 3, 2, 1, go. Two 6-2. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Yes.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoopsies.
4, 3, 2, 1. Yep.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. See ya.
Oh, thank mother God.
I'm trying to go so that there's just a tad bit of sunlight just to feel a little bit. There's not going to probably be any sun.
3, 2, 1.
Number 262.
Good morning.
What a nice thing to wake up to right before we were gonna hook up.
A flat tire. Doesn't really look flat right now because it's jacked up, but she flat. She flat as heck. So we're just changing it because we could patch it, but we don't want to put a bunch of air in it with a bike pump.
Correct.
So fun stuff. It's still very cold out, but it's very beautiful. We're gonna do a little exploring and go home.
See?
Yeah, that's what we've been sitting on.
On the bottom.
Nice.
What's up, guys?
What's up?
We're just wrapping up our weekend here, all loaded up with the camper, ready to get on out of here.
Yep.
It was a long day yesterday, but a lot of fun. Really wet and sloppy. I had 7 of the 8 stages were clean with no falls, and then I fell 3 times on one of them. So
Hey, at least 7 out of 8 were clean.
yeah,
That's
a plus. So
Yeah.
looking forward to next year. The night race is just so fun.
Yeah.
All the people on the hill. It's just definitely makes you want to come back every year.
If you haven't been, come check it out. It's worth it.
Peace.
Peace.